in this video I'm going to talk about how to add users to an application. So right now I am in the Human Resources app. I go to the security menu and then I go to users. Okay, now it's very important that you add the users here before trying to add them to the groups or to the roles. So in this interface you have to add these users to the Human Resources app. So let me go to add user, select person, and here you can search for anybody within your organization. Let me look for John Ward. The next options, if you want to assign this person to a group, if you already created the groups, you can do from here. And then you can also assign a design privilege. You have two options. You have the collaborators and then you have the administrators for this specific application, or you can define it as regular user. A collaborator is a user that can can create and can edit different forms in this application, but cannot edit the forms that the administrator creates. And the administrators have full access to the application. They can create, edit, and delete forms. They can add users, create groups, etc. Create workflows, and all those settings that are available in Eagle Cloud Platform. So once you have defined the groups, the profile or the role, and then the design privilege, you click save, and now you have just added the user to the Human Resources app. You can also remove any user. Let me remove Larry, for instance. Let me remove Catherine Franklin. And that is how you add users to the application. As a way of example, I have signed in to a user that doesn't have access to the Human Resources application, and therefore this user doesn't have any application showing up here to access. But let me add this user. Well, let's go ahead and add this user to the Human Resources application. That was James Bill. Alright, I save it, and now this user should have access to the application. Let me show you. And now, back in the user session, I refresh the page, and you see that this user already has access to the Human Resources app. Alright, so that is how the form level permission works. I hope you find this useful and hope to see you in the following videos. Goodbye.